Oh, really? Wow. Okay, so we'll get started here. That's okay. I really just want to see if anyone's on that Discord. Hey, can somebody open this up? Oh, everybody get a graphing calculator.
Wait, I have one on my phone. I have a.
Yes.
All of this. I'm not already on.
Awesome. Can you open it all up? Hello? Hello? Okay. Guys, I need someone to go let Jasmine and Matt in because now they're both locked out. Don't lock yourself out. Don't walk out the door because you won't be able to get back in. All right, we're sending somebody to get you. Okay. Yeah, it locks after you close it. Oh, he's going to just open it up.
It was open.
Can you just peel all this off?
There we go. The box.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sure. Okay, can anyone hear me on Discord? Okay. Test, test. All right. Okay, I can't actually hear anyone on Discord. I'm going to start a new call. What do I do now? If I want to like just start a create a DM, but that's how do I add all these extra people that joined? Right here? But do I have to type each one? No friends found that are not already in this DM. So Kobe's on there, Dark Wolf, Jasmine, everybody. Okay, streamer mode enabled. I'm just trying to start the Discord chat now. See, I only have these two people, but that. Oh, okay. So go back home. Okay, there we go. Pending. 1. All right, now I got 2. There we go. 2. There we go. So now I could start one with all these people. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so now I start a voice call. There we go. And I want to see if I can turn on the screen share. I don't know if it's going to work. Yeah. I mean, just we're trying to test it. Okay, the question is, can people try to talk? All right, I definitely don't want to waste the entire time just messing with this. So, what we'll do is work on the start questions. Well, I want to see if I can actually hear someone talk. Oh, I see what's going on. I wonder if the school is blocking Discord. It's the school. Okay. All right. So we won't be able to do the Discord unless I'm doing this from home. Okay. That makes sense. I'll just close that down right now. Okay. Hey, Michael. Welcome. All right. Let's do this. Everybody, would y'all please move up to these seats? And yeah, we're gonna work on stuff together. And then could my back row people move up here? Yeah. In fact, I want you to sit here. I don't need this on anymore. So we are live streaming. I know the live streaming is working. Okay.
True though. Very true.
Okay.
That's the
Mm-hmm. All right, we'll start with number 7. Okay. Okay, what we're going to start with is number 7. So here we go. Yeah. So what I want you to try to do, Jay, is I want you to try to write on the screen. Hit draw. Yeah. Try to write something. There it goes. It was there. You erased it. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, it's instantaneous. Awesome. Okay. There we go. So this is where I want to take this, guys. So Jay has got another Surface Pro tablet right now, and we'll pass this around the room and allow you guys to, Jay, let's both start writing in that same area at the same time. So this is me. I'm up here. Jay's writing. Keep scribbling. Jay's writing down below mine. I've got the darker pen. See? So let's start writing. I'm going to write. You write. Okay. Yeah. So. Okay, so it's taking some time. All right, well, anyway, we're working on it. Okay, so now what we'll do is work.
Okay.
Okay, you guys need to have your math journals. Okay, just go into my left closet and get paper because you can't just watch it like a movie. You have to write down stuff. The left closet has paper. Somewhere there's paper in the left closet, and I suppose that would be fine. I'm not sure where the dry erase markers are. Okay. No, just hang on. Okay, so I'm now going to divide everything, and then I want you to write the -5. Use a different color, so we know it's you. We're dividing by -5 to get rid of the -5 on the left side. Okay, so Jay, thank you so much for dividing by -5. Okay, the reason we did that, I think everybody that needs something has something. The reason we did that is so that we could get y by itself. Okay, so now we have y equals negative 6x over negative 5. I don't know why the pen's so shaky. Plus 5 over, or 15 over negative 5. Well, here's where I want to stop. So at this time, I want this to go into. See, I still notice that there's 3 people who don't have, or at least 2 people that don't have calculators. You got to have a graphing calculator. Okay. Wait, I wonder if I could. Can you hit this button here to turn on that emulator? Yeah. Use trial. Continue to use trial. Somebody just did that.
Dumb.
Very stupid. Mr. Matter was in test mode.
We're gonna play that. I got 20.
Let the map if it's Matter was in test mode. Doesn't
Test mode is the exact same.
Let me ask everyone a question. Do you think that we're maximizing the effectiveness of the room if everyone's talking about different topics, or should we focus on the math? All right, the fun will come later. I promise.
It's on Y1.
Yeah, hit second plus 712. Yep.
I mean, but Y is Y. X is Y.
Eyes right.
Oh wait, I hear people on Discord. Okay, Jay, you're going to work on the tablet, okay? So type in the equation just as it appears.
First.
Oh wait, now I'm doing. Now I'm calling people. Alpha y equals enter. See the conversation. Here's the deal. Okay, the only way this works is if we all agree for it to work, and it's got to be focused on this until the fun time. I need you to do it using alpha y equals enter like that. Alpha y equals enter. Okay. I want you to put it in exactly as it appears. because this would be the easiest possible way to do this. Okay, where we didn't work it out or solve for anything or get it in any form. Graph it.
But it
Okay, let me walk you through it. But this is the deal. I want you to learn how to do it on the calculator. So y equals, please let me be the only person talking. All right. I promise when we get the pizza and stuff, it'll just be a fun time, but this part has got to be really focused. So no talking or any sound whatsoever, please. Now we hit alpha, y equals, enter. Then hit negative 6x over negative 5. Okay, please make sure you're doing it just like this if you haven't already done it. Then hit plus, then alpha y equals, enter. 15 over negative 5. All right, make sure your screen looks like mine. And then hit graph. And you're going to pick the one that looks like it. What are you doing? Let me see. You're putting in a minus sign where you should put a negative sign, guaranteed. You see it?
I think it'll be
Okay, now we got 2 people on the call. Oh, good. John can hear me. All right, good. So John, can you see the live stream? And you can hear me on Discord. Okay, great. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So everybody got letter choice C. Okay, now I know there are folks who like to see it solved by hand. So let me do this by hand. We would say y equals 6/5 x minus 3. And so we have a rise of 6 and a run of 3 or 5. And we have a y-intercept at negative 3. So we see, go find everywhere where there's a y-intercept at negative 3. Here's one and here's one. So this can't be right and this can't be right. So it's either this one or this one. And then we just look at which one has a rise of, which one is actually at, has a rise of 6 and a run of 3. Well, this one has a fall of 6 and a run of 5. Okay, I kept saying rise 6, run 3. I meant rise 6, run 5. So this one, because it's a positive slope, It's going to go up 6 and then over 5 to the right. Okay? So that's why C is correct. That's right. And then just you just choose between B and C. Oh, wait, I know what I didn't do. I didn't put it on ultra low latency. Dang it. Okay, Jonathan, I'm going to end the stream and restart it with ultra low latency so it's doesn't. Is it lagging for you? We're going faster than the stream. Okay. All right, well, we'll just leave it like it is because there's a lot of people connected. All right, so moving on. Awesome. We're doing good, man. Here, wait. Okay, wait, you can hear Jonathan now. Okay, Jonathan, you're on like speakerphone, okay? Or you were on speakerphone. No, he didn't turn it off. It's not very loud. Okay, now you're off speakerphone. Okay, so a baker determined the annual profit in dollars from selling pies using P of n equals 52n minus 0.05 n squared, where n is the number of pies sold. What is the annual profit if the baker sells 400 pies? Okay, so n is the number of pies, and they want to know about some specific number of pies. Watch how easy this is, guys. You have to go to your calculator. Clear everything out. Second plus 712. Then go to y equals, and you're going to type in this. Okay? Which is 52n minus 0.05 n squared. I covered it up, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to type in 52n, which will put x for n, minus 0.05 x squared. Okay, raise your hand if your calculator looks like this. All right. Now what we're going to do is go to second window. We're going to change table settings from independent from auto over to ask. Okay, hit enter on that. Make sure that, let's do a hand raise. Does everyone's calculator look like this? All right. Now hit second graph. Give me just a quick hand raise if you've got this blank screen. Just want to make sure we're all going to get the answer. Okay. Now type in 400 and hit enter. What do you get? 12,800. Awesome. So let's see which answer choice that goes with. G. Okay. I promise you this was easier than changing 0.05 to 5 over 100 and then going down to 1 over 25 and then factoring that quadratic. I promise is easier. Okay. Let's move on. Why is that still frozen there? Oh, it's a picture. Yeah, the answer is G. Okay. Oh, good. We get a preview of exponential functions. I love it. So this is what you're going to learn next week. This is what you're going to learn next week. Exponential functions, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. Okay? So it's asking us which function is best represented by the graph. When you see this type of question, I want you to just start plugging in A, B, C, and D into y equals until you get a picture that looks like this picture. Now, here's what you need to look for, okay? Make sure it has a y-intercept of 6 on your picture. So what I'm going to do is just give you all a moment to see if you can figure it out. So the thing about exponential functions is the exponent is an x, which is new. It's unusual. We'll learn all about that next week. They're actually a lot easier than quadratics. And y'all are doing really good. Just use, oh, no. So that part you ignore. Good. So Jay asked a good question. He's basically asking what part of these do we put in? Just put in these parts. Yeah. What is C? No, X is X. Okay, let's make sure that we all agree. It's important that everybody gets a chance to see. A chance to win this for themselves, you know. I'm noticing a lot of the same issues with this new device as I did with the previous one. So I think it's really not the device. So all that pain that I went through is for nothing. It just sucks. Yeah. So we go to y equals, and you say it's A, right? So let me go ahead and try that. 6, open parentheses, alpha y equals, enter, 1/3, close parentheses. What happened, Jonathan? And then I don't know. Did you ban him? I mean, by accident. Okay. Now to make an exponent, if you don't want to hit exponent of 2, which is automatic, you hit, and I think y'all know this, you hit housetop, and then you put X there. Okay. And I just want to make this big for a second. All right. And now you want to hit graph. Okay. So a couple things I want to note. The 6 is the y-intercept. So whatever number is sitting next to the left of the parentheses, that's the y-intercept. So if it had said 25, then you would see it crossing the y-axis at 25. Well, there's a 6 next to all of them. Okay. So yeah. Now here's something else. Because it's a downward sloping like this, you know that it's going to be a fraction. Okay? Because it's decay. So it's going to be less than 1. All right? If it had been exponential growth, where it was going up into infinity, then you would see a whole number in there. Or something bigger than 1, or an improper fraction. But if it's going down, we call that decay. And so you would expect the number inside the parentheses to be less than 1. So just by that alone, we would be able to eliminate B and D. And then you would just have to check A and C. But we'll go over all that next week. Good job, guys. Moving on. We did do this one last night. But I didn't show last night how to use the calculator to aid you. These are hard because we have to remember what perpendicular means. Here's what perpendicular means. Perpendicular means at 90 degrees. Okay. Yeah, so the lines that you end up with need to form a right angle with one another. Now, I'm going to show how to do this in the calculator, okay? Go to y equals and clear everything out of there. And then type in the thing they give you. That would be just this part. Type that in with the negative sign there. So yeah, exactly. Do alpha y equals enter -4 over 9 x plus 5. Okay, let's take a look at it. I always like to take a look at it. What's that? Oh, because it's just an emulator. Yeah, so it's being powered by the CPU and the RAM graphics processor of a computer, as opposed to just they take forever. Yeah. Let me see. Hit y equals.
Looks like a heart monitor.
Show me.
It's on the bottom.
To the right of the slope. Yes, Jonathan. Hannah, Alyssa, Radnisha, Michael, Jay, Kobe, Elizabeth, Jasmine, Taylor, and Ashley. Yeah, let me see if I can actually get him where he can talk to y'all. I think I can do that. I feel like I should be able to just turn that off. Try to talk, Jonathan. It's really, really soft. Try now. All right. Now we hear you. Now we hear you. Okay. Cool. So Jonathan's on Discord. Yeah. So this is really cool. Last night we did this. Here's what happened to the live stream last night. It went from being kind of boring one-way communication with the ability to maybe send a message to me on that little chat window to like, boom, it was instantaneous. And we got more done in 10 minutes than we did in 2 hours. So it really wants you guys to be joining the Discord. Yeah, I need to get like an actual rack. Yes, I need to get a server. Oh, okay. Then you could just use the chat. Okay, so now how do we find out which one's the right answer? Let's plug them in one at a time and see which one. Now you need to understand something. Okay, we have a piece of information that you're going to need to check. It needs to cross the x-axis at 36. So that's going to be what's going to. Two of these are going to look correct, and only one of them is going to cross at positive 36. I'm going to let you do. Is it? Yeah, the perpendicular slope is the negative reciprocal. Okay, so the negative reciprocal of -4/9 is positive 9/4. Well, not x. Just the slope part is the positive 9/4. Just the number, yeah. Wow, this is so cool. We got people on Discord. That's crazy. Even I can lay down a track in the background. Here, I'll do it. You guys keep messing with it, and I'll lay that track down in the background.
Yeah. Somewhere there.
Oh. I have to be signed in under this one. There. Okay, you don't hear anything, right? But if we look at the desktop audio track. Jonathan, can you hear the sound? No, I mean on the YouTube video, can you hear the music? You can hear the music. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now if you're watching the YouTube version of this, did anybody get the answer? Why do you think that? Because that's correct. Yeah. It's gonna look. Let's plot in. Well, we said D. Let's plot in J, so we can see why it's right.
Oh, okay.
Good job, Michael. That was the answer I was looking for. Now, what Hannah can add to that is, not only did it cross through 36, but it has a y-intercept of -81. So let's let this thing. Now we have to. You can't see anything, right? Because you got to zoom out. All right. Zoom out, and now you see it. Okay. Zoom out again. Now it looks right. Okay. So let me show you. Can I show you how you verify whether or not that red line crosses at 36? Because let's say you can't really tell from this picture, right? Because there's no numbers. Can I show you how? Okay. Let me ask this question of the class. Please listen. What is 36? It's the x-intercept of the red line. Now, let me ask a question. What is the y value for all x-intercepts in the universe? 0. So, I want you to hit second window. Make sure independent is changed from auto to ask. Is it? Okay, and then hit second graph and type in 36 and hit enter. Does the red number equal 0? That's how you check. All right. Oh, you got it. You put them all in. Okay, that's perfect. So can I just hold this up? Look up here. This is something good. You see how he put them all in. This is smart. It just takes a lot of data entry. Now, you would have felt like you wasted some time if it had been A, but look, it was D, so he would have had to do this anyway. All he's going to do now is pick the one that has a 0 in there, right? So you would have picked Y4, which for you would be letter J. Okay? Yes, Kobe. Can I see this? No. So I want you to put in 36. Actually, so this is good. Kobe put in 0 for X. You know what he got out of it? -81, which is the y-intercept. So Kobe just verified another fact about this function. So you didn't do anything wrong. Now I just want you to type 36 and hit enter. So by the way, you could have done it. You could have done it the Kobe method. All right, you could have hit 0, enter, and then it would have said negative 81, and you would have picked the only one that has a y-intercept of negative 81 is J. And then did you get 0 when you type 36? Excellent. Okay. Great job. You guys are doing good. So trust the calculator. I know that listen, there's no one happier, okay, as a teacher on earth than me, that you guys want to do this stuff by hand. But the time to do this by hand is when we're doing our like book work, class work, textbook work, Delta Math, or something like that. When it comes to the STAAR test, I'm proud that you know how to do it by hand, but your primary solver should be the machine. Because here's why, guys, 2 reasons. Speed and accuracy. We want to be real fast, and I'll get you there. You need to be able to take the entire 54-question STAAR test in about an hour and a half. Because you're going to get tired after an hour and a half. You don't want to sit. You don't want to be into hour 4 and still have half the STAAR questions left to do. All right, here we go. Don't worry about it. We're gonna. By the way, right now that's why we're here. Okay, we're here for this purpose. Question 11.
Can I read it?
Yeah, read it.
All right. A student worked out at a gym for 50 minutes. The graph shows the remaining percentage of the workout as a linear function of x. The time minutes. Which answer choice best describes the domain and range of the function for the situation?
Thank you, Jonathan. And while you guys are working on that, I'm going to call Domino's and get our pizza ordered, okay? Anybody have anything they want besides pepperoni? I take any special request. Yes. Hannah, can you be can you erase your board and be our order menu taker? Write it down. And then you can call on these people and then take their order. Yes, let's do it. Okay, we'll get you a virtual pizza. Yeah, here, I'm going to send him a virtual pizza through the Discord. Okay, you do it. You do it. Yes, I want mushroom. What else do you want on it? You pick. Because you can get 2 toppings.
Hamburger meat.
Hamburger. Okay, so what'd you say? It.
Hamburger meat.
And mushrooms. Mushrooms and hamburger meat. Yes. Yeah, I like mushrooms.
So do I.
Can we use someone's phone to call Domino's? Because not your phone. Someone else's phone. Taylor's phone. We'll use Taylor's phone. Because I don't want to end. I think I'm going to screw up the Discord thing if I use my phone. I don't know what happens when I use the phone while we're on Discord. Let me see. Let me just see let me see what happens. Here, I'm going to call. All right. Hello? Jonathan, can you still hear me? Okay, so I think it mutes the Discord while I'm on the phone. Oh, okay, cool. Okay. You guys figure out the answer yet?
There should be more people.
It's easy. What'd you say? Show me the letter with your hand when you get it. Look, domain greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 50. That's the x-axis. Domain is x. Range, 0 to 100. Right? There it is. Hello, can I place an order for delivery, please? Hang on just yes. Yes, I can't say it. I'm in front of all my students right now. Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah, we're having our Saturday school here, so. Okay, I need the order. Okay, we would like now they do a deal for us where we get large 2 toppings, or is it large 1 topping? It's it's a no tax deal because we're a nonprofit. Yeah. Well, I've got multiple pizzas here, so I think I want to do 8 pizzas. Oh, I think I have to order a minimum of 10, right, to get the deal. Is Mr. Looney there, or is Laura there? Okay, can I talk to him real quick? Thanks. This is Corbin's brother. All right, let me move on to the next one. Oh, here we go. That's too hard. Let me move on to the next one here. Let me move on to this one here. Okay. Hi, I was calling to place an order for delivery, but I was wanting to get the deal that they do for our school. This is Westwood High School. When we do volume orders. Yes, that's me. I can't remember what the deal was. Was it 2 toppings or 1 topping? It was 2 toppings for a large. Okay, the kids are telling me last week it was, or 2 weeks ago. When was the last time we did this? A week ago? 2 weeks ago it was, we didn't do one 2 weeks ago we did this for, it was 2 toppings. Okay. So 2 toppings for $7.99 each or $6.99? Yeah, but 10. Yeah, okay. Because he applied a discount. Looney applied a discount. Okay, so can I give you my order? Not exactly the same. Oh, yeah, as soon as possible. $6,000. 6,000 are the last. That's the last 4 digits. Okay, just subtract 135 from both sides. Okay, and then rewrite this as 4x squared plus 12x minus 135 and put that into y equals. Okay? Hang on 1 second for me. Guys, we're getting a little bit out of control here, okay? Put this in there. 4x squared plus 12x minus 135. Just stick this, stick this into y1. Okay? Then graph it. Zoom out till you can see both of the intercepts and use second trace 0 and do the left and right boundary to find the positive solution. Okay, I'm ready. We would like 2 cheese pizzas. Hand tossed. We would like 1 pizza with chicken and bacon. 1 pizza with pineapple and black olives. 1 pizza with mushroom and hamburger. 2 pizza that are just pepperoni. one pizza that's pepperoni and jalapeno with extra sauce. And then, guys, is there any other weird order that you want me to make? No? Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of us. So we'll have plenty of pizza. Yes, Hannah. Yes, can we do one order of breadsticks, please? You want the cheese or the regular? Regular with the red sauce. What? Wait, she's asking me a question. What was the question? Do you want the stuffed cheesy bread or the 16-piece corn? I missed it. Parmesan bread bites. She wants the Parmesan bread bites. And what do you want on the side, Rodnisha? Mild sauce? What does that mean? But it's red sauce. I mean, it's just tomato sauce. Okay, she knows what you're talking about, so she wants that. Okay, that'll do it for us. I'm sure that we'll have plenty of food, guys. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm going to have to step out of the room so I can use my credit card and you guys can't hear it. Zoom out. Are you? Oh, it's still loading? Okay. Here, Jay, I want you to come around here and I want you to stick it in. Where is the... Okay, get some help from your friends to know what to put in there. If you sit in the chair. Actually, here, I might be able to get both of them up on the same screen for you. Okay. Yeah, there you go. So, I'm here. Unbelievable. Okay, that's great. I do. I'm just going to step out in the hall. Guys, they gave us a tremendous discount. We need to write them a thank you letter. Okay? Thank you so much. That discount that you're giving me was not given to me 2 weeks ago by a refusal of the person who I mentioned before. Okay, so it's 4036 4705 7435 6841 04 of 24 465 75092. Yes. And your name is Brandy? Okay, I'm going to put you in there next to Laura, under good people who want to help me. Thank you. Okay, thank you. All right, bye. Okay, guys, pizza's on its way, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking for the 0. Yeah. Didn't want to make sure you guys can get this. Okay. What? Don't want to make sure you know how to do it. Okay, hit second, trace 0. Okay, Jonathan, I'm here, Jonathan. Can he hear me?
I can't type anything out.
Why can't I hear his? Okay, now you want to find this one. So it's asking you for the left boundary. Hit this arrow. Keep hitting it like repeatedly. until you see it pop up. You have to keep there. Ooh. Go below the screen, hit enter. Now hit right arrow one time. Now it's above, hit enter, and hit enter again. That's the answer. Hannah got the answer. Why can't I hear Jonathan? Oh, so when I placed a call, it ended. Thank you. Hey, this is the one that you was left in my room yesterday, and this is the thing. Thank you so much. Yeah. Oh, I need to delete those groups. Well, how do I join the other call? Oh, now I can hear everybody. Okay, great. Now, it's somebody needs to turn off their. Yeah. Just end the call. Okay. All right. Let me just put Jonathan on speaker on my phone. Jonathan, can you hear me? Okay, here. I'm going to put you on speaker, bro. Who else is on the call? Oh, Marian. Oh, Marian. Okay. Okay, this is the key. If you can master this skill, you can do 100% of your homework with the calculator. Well, you're going to take one home today. Here. Yes. Yes, I will. Here, take this home and keep it for the rest of the year. Calculator, calculate 84. Get that one. Oh, deltamath.com. All right. What? I'll give you a cable. What's the battery life like right now? Okay, just when it does get low, bring it to me because I only have one cable. And I've got... Okay, so here's what you do. Who's hosting this? Jay? Okay, Jay, can you go back to y equals, please? Okay, now we're going to start, everybody, we're going to start from scratch. Hit graph. Okay. And are you looking at a screen that looks just like this? Okay, then let's make it, Jay, we're going to make it look just like Elizabeth's, okay? Well, let me have Elizabeth make it look just like Jay's. No, wait, stop. Don't do that. Hit graph again. I want to have Elizabeth zoom in. Yeah, because now here's the thing, Jay. Can you move this so we can read the question real quick? It wants the positive solution. So now, Jay, move it back up. All right. So there's two solutions. Here's one, and here's one. Now on this one, guys, can you actually just tell me what it looks like it is? Jay, make this real big. No, he'll be fine when he does this. There. Now look, guys, just count. Make your life easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 4.5, right? Let's verify that. Okay, I'm going to show you, pay attention here. There are two ways to verify this. Hello? Okay, Jay, I want you to hit second, trace, 2. Now it says left bound. Elizabeth, does it say left bound? Okay. I want you to be to the left of where it crosses. Now, that kind of means below. You're only going to use the left and right arrow keys to do these boundaries. Don't hit up or down. It's tempting, but it won't do anything. So now, Jay, if you hit right arrow one time, is it going to pop above the x-axis? Okay, good. So hit back. There. That's as close as it's going to get. Go ahead and hit enter. Now, you see how... Wait. You see how it created a little boundary line? Now it's asking you for the right bound. So hit right arrow one time. Now hit enter again. And now it's hard to see, but it's created 2 little boundary lines that are bracketing this x-intercept. Now, Jay, hit enter again, and it's going to tell you what it is. 4.5. Now, the second way we can check it, hit second window. Make sure that this setting is where independent has been changed from auto to ask. It has been changed. You do it too. Everybody do it that's still on this problem. Okay? Just make sure you change independent from auto to ask. Now hit second graph. Okay? Second graph. Type in 4.5 and make sure the Y output is 0. Okay? If it's 0, that's it. That's correct. Now, raise your hand if you were watching this last night when we did this by hand. It took like 15 minutes, and it required us to use a technique called completing the square. It was very, very complicated. The calculator takes 10 seconds. All right? 10 seconds. All right, Jay, can you minimize the calculator? Let me see who this was that called me. I think it was probably the pizza people. I think the person that's going to deliver it lives in Athens and probably, uses their cell phone to call me. Yes, I just got a call from this number. What? I have no idea who that is. This is a wrong number. Okay, whatever. Samuel Rend. Don't say last names. We're on live. Okay. Wait, I'm connecting back to this Discord here. Connecting. Wait, Jasmine, can you show me how to connect back to this? All right, let's go to a new one. Yes, absolutely. Wait, do this one. Let's do this one.
I haven't been doing homework.
Oh, you know what you're missing? In between the username, the @ symbol. Okay, let's all work together. Am I back on? Where's my... Oh, wait, now I can... There we go. Okay, now we're back. Okay, we're doing number 15. Did it work? Okay, remember it's capital P, lowercase ANTHER 2019 exclamation point. Okay. A grill at a barbecue restaurant. Wait, Jonathan, do you want to read this one? Oh, Marian, do you want to read this one? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, wait. So when I clicked off the Discord app, it took him off audio. Yeah. Yeah.
Workout A and C. That's about 6 pounds of workout A and C.
Hey, Jonathan, I'm going to turn this off and turn it back on. Hang on. Okay, Jasmine, rejoin it. Oh, look at Kobe sent him a pizza. That's funny. Okay, so sausage is 2 pounds each, brisket 6 pounds each. No more than 120 pounds. There it is. As I see it, I'm looking at the answer. What's the answer?
I don't see why he said B and
Wait, are we back on it? Okay. This isn't going to work. Okay. All right, bits B. Wait, hold on. Don't get frustrated. No, this is a live stream, so be careful here. Okay. Put in the calculator. So add 5 to both sides first. So it's going to be, the thing you put in the calculator is 2x squared minus x minus 12. Okay, let's go to another one. All right. Jay. All right, we'll do number 17. Let's go to number 17. Okay, let's work the problem together, guys. Yes, please do.
It'll be shaded below.
Oh, cool. I like that you're interacting with it. Shaded below.
Oh.
It's greater than, so it'll be shaded above. Okay, go to the next one. Yeah, wow, that's cool. You look like Indiana Jones would use that. Okay, guys, this is easy. This looks hard, number 18, but it's easy. A bank account, earning, blah, blah, blah. Ignore all that. Okay? Just put this into y equals. Jay, can you highlight? Thank you. But just this part. Just the part to the right of the equal sign. There you go. Put that in y equals. Put that in y equals. You have to do it too. If you're in this room, you have to be doing this. Okay, Jay. Hold on, Jay. Hold on. Jay, hit this. Yeah, there we go. Now, Jay, wait, hold on, Jay. Go down to the bottom here and pull this guy up here. Okay, great. That's great. Perfect. All right. Good job, Hannah. Rodnisha, good job. I want to come over here and check out Ashley. Oh, I'm in the way. Now I'm a creep. Let me move away and get away so I'm not just hovering. It's worthless. What? Oh, because you're zoomed wrong. Hit zoom standard. Oh, you're going to have to wait now. Me neither. Okay, can we can't see it right now because it's not zoomed out far enough. Aha. Keep going. Keep going. Zoom 3. Yeah, zoom 3, enter. Okay. Now that's not very helpful, is it? Okay, so let's minimize the window. Here, Jay, minimize the thing. And let's read. Okay? Let's just read out loud. One at a time. I'm going to start with Rodnisha, then I'm going to go to Taylor, then I'm going to go to Elizabeth, then I'm going to go to Michael. All right? So, Rodnisha, read F. Initial. Okay? We can't tell her if that is true or not, okay? We can't tell. How about G? Not yet. We don't know how yet. So read G. Who is my next person? Jasmine? Wait, who did I call? Taylor? Okay, go Jasmine next. G. Okay, we'll see about that. How about H? Who's my next reader? Okay, here's one that we can eliminate. Here's why. This number is the initial balance. Okay? So that's the y-intercept. See that 850? That was the initial balance. All right. So J, what's J say? Who is my reader for letter J? Does that seem possible? Oh, this is her. Mom. Hello? Oh. Hello? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oh, perfect. Yeah, pizza's on the way. So we're still working here. Come on up. Just call me when you get here so we know to come let you in. I'll send Ashley to come let you in. Come around the do me a favor. Don't go in the front. Come around the like when you pull up to the building. Okay. Come around the right side. Like keep driving down that driveway and then pull into that little tiny parking lot. Because at the front the gates are locked in the front. And then we'll send Ashley to get you, okay? All right, bye. Yeah, it's banned. Banned is here. Here, can you fix this again? I don't know what to do. Okay. Did you put this? Jay, can you go back to... Can you go back to the calculator? And then go to second graph. Okay, now type 1, enter. Okay, now can you read this number? What is that number? Yeah, that's the amount in the account after 1 year. Type 2. Enter. Okay, that's the amount in the account after 2 years. Is it getting bigger or smaller? Bigger. So let's eliminate this answer. Can you minimize the calculator? The balance after 1 year, how much was it? No, this is what they are. It was 871, wasn't it? Okay, so we know that this is wrong. So it's got to be one of these. Now let me ask you a question. Was the balance going up or down? So is the balance decreasing or increasing? So what's the answer? G. We don't even need to mess with it. Now, for my folks, Jonathan, is he still on the call? Okay. Hey, look, let me show you where this number 2.5% is coming from. Jay, take a pen or a pencil or something and go up here and write 1 plus 0.025. You see? That's where this number inside is coming from. Now above it, write 1 plus rate. R-A-T-E. It's 1 plus the rate. R-A-T-E. So the rate is 0.025. What is 0.025 as a percent? So let's read G now that we know what it all means. The balance in the account increases 1 plus rate at a rate of 0.025 as a percent, 2.5% per year. It's true. Okay, now we have actually technically gone 15 minutes over the time when we were supposed to start playing games, but we got started almost 30 minutes late. Okay? I feel like we should keep doing a couple more problems at least, if you're okay with that. Because as much as I want you to have the games, I really want you to get something out of this thing today. All right, I love this. So this is going to be one that you have to put in the calculator, okay? And this is going to be super cool because it's a quadratic. Here, you see this? Quadratic function. Jay, I'm going to need you to go back and highlight this quadratic function here. Okay, this data represents quadratic data. So I need you, Jay, to go over here to get a selective pen, and underneath quadratic function, I want you to type quad reg, R-E-G, quad reg. Okay, quad reg. Q-U-A-D-R-E-G. All right. So now, Jay, bring up the calculator. You're fine. You're fine. I want everyone to do this, please. Okay. Everybody do this. No. Nope. You're jumping ahead. Everybody, come. Let's come to real quiet on this one, okay? Is Jonathan there? Oh, wait. He's got it. We have to go to... just hit this button. Yeah, now I can hear you. Okay, so hit second plus 712. Everybody clear the memory on your calculators. Okay, perfect. Second plus 712. Now hit stat. S-T-A-T, stat. Edit. Okay, now, yeah, perfect. Good. Type this data into L1 and this data into L2. Let me get out of your way. If you guys all will do this with me, this is going to be one that's going to make you happy, okay? Okay, great. That's why I'm over here. Hit stat. Edit. There you go. Start typing the left column into L1. And the right column in L2. Don't move on. We're going to do our hands raised when you get done entering the data. Okay, 1, 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, 6 people, 7 people. I'm waiting on 2 more. 8, 9 people. Okay. Wait. Let's all, we go together. Okay. Okay, now. No, no, y'all leave him alone. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, now hit stat. No. Stat. Go to the calc menu. Do not hit any buttons. You're going to jump ahead too fast. Thank you, Kobe. Now do not start. Don't hit anything yet, please. Do you see how 5 says quad reg? Yeah. See, this is a quadratic function. So you want to use the quad reg. Yeah, you could use cubic and quartic. We've been using lin reg so far, but now we're going to go down to quad reg, number 5. Yeah. Enter all the way through this list. Now you know why I have spent so much time making you identify A, B, and C. Because now we're going to write an equation using A, B, and C. All right? Jay's killing me with this. We got to just pull the... All right, there we go. All right. How do you know that? High five. Give me a high five. Okay. Well, guys, what she did is she just instantly mapped A to here, B to here, C to here. That's it. That was so good. That was so good. All right. Now let's go down to see the next one. So far, I'm pretty confident you guys are gonna just nail this benchmark. Oh, I love this. Okay. Now. Here, Jay, take a pen. Listen, this one might be our last one, guys. Here, Jay, take a pen and select a pen, select a pen tool. Go up here and put X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Now you're going to like this. Y'all are really going to like this because we're going to use the calculator again. I'm afraid that we're covering up. Are we covering up any signs or anything? Oh, yes. Oh, okay. All right. Just choose a regular color. Okay. Just a regular color would be good. X1. I1. Okay. Now we're going to lose everybody's interest if we just keep messing with this. So now pull up the calculator. Now hit second plus 712. You have to hit it every time you're going to mess with stat edit. Okay. Now go to stat. Edit. Now put in the X's. Guys, I'm having too much conversation. Actually, Jasmine, can you go close the door, please? Now the band is driving me crazy. I mean, I love the band, but the noise is starting to make my head hurt. Okay. Wait. We're moving way too fast, man. We're moving way too fast. I need you to first resize this window so that that little tiny calculator screen is big enough that we can all see it. Because you got to understand, most people are watching this on a tiny little phone. All right. That's a burn. All right. Now, Jay, calculator itself smaller by dragging that central frame to the left. No, not that one. Go to the middle of the calculator emulator window. Perfect. Okay. Okay, I guess I'm. Oh, all right. No, you're doing that. Here. I need you to use the mouse, man. Okay, so wait, what did you just do? You just changed the. Okay, here. Now let's make this small. Okay, let's make this small. Right, and we're gonna get rid of this. There. There. This will work. All right. Okay. Please stay with me, guys. Jonathan. All right. In L1, you put your X values, -3 and 5. Okay. -3 and 5. And then in L2, you put your Y values, 3.6 and 2. Okay. Now we go to Stat and Calc and then stop. Ask yourself, is this linear or quadratic? It's linear, so we're going to use linreg. 4. Now enter through the list. Now it's going to ask you, it's asking you for something. Go ahead and hit enter one more time. Okay, it's asking us for the rate of change. What is the word we use for rate of change in this class? Slope. So what's the slope of the line? That's the answer. Write it here. This is when you'd have to bubble in. Okay? This is when you'd have to bubble in. And we're all scared of the bubble in ones. Okay. At this time, I think it's fair that I give you your fun time now. How many did we do today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait. Now I think we're going up. We didn't do this one, did we? No. We did 11 problems, right? That was pretty good, actually. Okay, now we're done. And we're going to play the PlayStation or watch Stranger Things or watch The Matrix or whatever you guys want to do. PlayStation, that's you. Well, we have 4 controllers, so you should be able to all find something to do. Jonathan, are you still with us? Okay, let me put you on my headpiece. Okay, so now I've got... Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm exhausted. That was a lot of work. We did it. We had a successful PlaySTAARtion. Now we're on to the play part of the PlaySTAARtion. Oh my God. I turn the audio volume down. It literally blew my eardrum out when he did that. You're okay, man. I didn't expect it. You're okay. Okay, Ashley, will you come sit over here so I can give you some of that help we were talking? Wait, what's that? Oh, I can mute him or turn his volume down. That's good. Okay. Wow. Okay, hang on a second. Let me check the stream health. Let me get back. And I need to get a cup of coffee. Oh, wait. Here comes the pizza, I think. Jonathan, I might lose you. Hello? Hello? Hang on. I got too many people talking. I can't hear. I think this is the pizza person. Are you the pizza person? Okay, I'm going to send a bunch of people out to help you, all right? We're all gonna come. We're all gonna go as a team. Let's all go. Bring the board that says thank you.
I did this one. Is that
Oh, okay.
one of the homeless?
No. Okay, hang on a second. We're all gonna come out and say hi to you. Okay. All right, bye. Jonathan, are you still there? Wait, what am I doing over? I'm gonna get this camera thing. Hey, somebody have an iPhone 11 or better, 10 or better? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's all go get the pizza. I have to go all the way out front. on Discord. Could like, oh, Kennard just he's sick at home, so we want if he could be on Discord, then he could talk, you know, like Jonathan was. Okay, yeah, open it all up, guys.
Hamburger, pizza.
Wow. Yeah, they're in the closet. Oh, there's plenty. There's like, and there's almost one pizza per person, so there's plenty for everybody to have as much as they want. Just, you know, start with one piece and just eat as much as you want. Yes, Kobe. Sure.
It's called Brawlhalla. It's just like Super Smash.
Valhalla?
Yeah, it's like Super Smash Bros, but it's free.
Brohalla?
Brawlhalla.
Brawlhalla.
It's like Super Smash Bros, but it's free. It can have up to 8 players.
Oh, okay. If someone could please, Hannah, when you're done eating, before you leave, we can use your photo to print on our new Polaroid Instalab. We can take. Well, you have to download the app called Polaroid Originals. Oh, we have to go to the App Store. I don't. Oh, she organized them by color.
Like somebody else playing. Go on.
Wait, did I not do that right? I need help. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Wait, her phone's about to die. You can eat as much as you want. Swipe to unlock. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing with this phone. We'll just charge it. Do it later. Yes, please. Why do the three of you always have to shout? Why? It's the only volume that you three have. I just want you to wait. No. Here's what I want. I want you to dial the volume down. Okay? Just dial it down because you guys start shouting. Just wait. Everybody stop real quick. Stop. 1, 2, wait. 5, 4. Here's what's going to happen. If there is any more conflict, okay, I'll just shut it off. Okay? Now, this is supposed to be the fun part. Last week or 2 weeks ago, I remember there being a little bit of an argument like this as well. Okay? This will not happen. You're just going to play games and have fun. All right? So the rules are if you argue again over anything, I'm going to take it out of here. Okay? And I'll play Stranger Things because there won't be any argument then. All right. Hang on. Sorry. All right. This is why there always has to be an adult in the room. Page 507, number 20 through 29. Okay. Yes, sir. No, there was just a little argument over what type of game to play. Okay, so we need to go to page 507. All right, I actually have the homework booted up right here. Where did I put that? Page 501 was actually the very first homework assignment. Yes, over the weekend. Sure. So this is page 507, right? No. Is this the homework yet? 20 through 29. There it is. Okay. So we're going to learn how to solve these, and we're going to solve them on the calculator, okay? Here, can you scoot in real close so I can go get a piece of pizza? Thanks. You guys are doing good. Where'd that, which one has the... There was a pizza somewhere that had jalapenos on it. Is this the jalapeno? This is it. Okay. Because I like it. Okay. Absolutely, man. Okay, so Ashley, these are real easy to do with the calculator. And make sure you're eating more than one piece, because we ordered enough. I think we ordered, basically each of you could have 5 to 6 pieces of pizza when we'd still have some left. Okay, Ashley, when you're ready. Yeah, basically one pizza for everybody. Yeah. Okay, just go to y equals whenever you're ready. And we're just gonna stick in there. Hey Jake, can I have that calculator right there, please? Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Oh. All right, ready? My pleasure. Thank you for being here. Okay. Now we're going to type x squared minus 7x plus 12, and we're done. Now hit graph. Okay. Can you tell me what numbers there are right there where it's crossing the x-axis? Or, wait. Looks like 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
So the answers are 3 and 4. That's it. Mm-hmm. It's okay. Actually, you waiting in this way, we teach you on the calculator. You'll learn it. It's easier. 3 and then comma 4. Mm-hmm. Now let's do 21. Now for number 21, I want you to write it down first. Y squared plus y equals 12. What are you looking at, Jonathan? Subtract 20 from both sides. So minus 20 and minus 20. Okay, now we're going to write y squared right here. Y squared plus y minus 20 equals 0. Put this in y equals. Now you're not going to be able to find the letter y, so you always use x. Yeah. Yeah. Use this key. And then. Just see where it crosses the x-axis. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So -5, comma, 4. How are you doing, Jasmine? You good? All right. Let's do the next one. X squared. Minus 6x equals 27. Okay, now hold on. We gotta do something to it first, okay? First we have to subtract 27 from both sides like that. And then we have to rewrite it because this is gone now. This is equal to 0. So we're going to write x squared minus 6x minus 27
It's gonna be very hard.
You put this part in y equals. X squared minus 6x minus 27. Oh, I know what happened. This should be a minus sign. And you would hit this sign. This is a real specific symbol that only you can use when it's in front. Otherwise, you have to use that symbol. Now hit graph, it'll work. Hold on, let me check that syntax. Oh, okay, see, we got to get rid of this. This is good. So now hit graph, it'll work. There you go. Oh, yeah, Discord is going to change the game. Because I think it'll let Kennard talk. All right. So now let's count them up and figure it out where they cross the x-axis. Yeah. Yes. I charged it, but I couldn't get it to download the app. I was trying to get it to download that. Go to the App Store and Polaroid Originals. That's the one. Sure.
After this is done and you got everything, how wide is it?
Oh, okay. Well, you're ready to go whenever. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna let you do this because I do have a.
Oh, okay.
Oh boy. No, let's say hi. I get this done. Can't photomath that stuff.
Actually. But don't tell anybody. All right. I'll prove it to you.
120.
Wait, let me show you. Let me prove something to you. This is photo math.
Yeah, I know.
Are you playing, Jonathan? Are you playing the same game the kids are playing here?
Hey, you made
There you go.
It did it already.
look.
Wait, look, it did it already.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Look. No count.
Wow. So is it -9 and -1? Wait, let's try. Yeah.
That's my passcode to my phone. Okay, so when we're gonna go to the bathroom, like this, we're gonna like they can't. That's my passcode, so I can check the
I'm not gonna be able to let him come back again, unfortunately. Okay, so let's do. Here, let's just pick one more to do, and then we'll consider this assignment done. That way you don't. Actually, I think you get it right. So here's the thing. You always have to have it equal to 0. So like for this one, you would subtract 7 in from both sides. Let's do this 26 here. Write it out. N squared minus 120 equals 7n. Now subtract 7n from both sides. Okay. Now rewrite it. I'm going to let you.
I put 7 in.
Do whatever you want. Just do what you think you should do. What? Okay, so now n squared minus 7n equals 0. What happened to the 120? The negative 120? Just erase. Yeah. Equals 0. Oh, so you can only see one of them? What is it? -8. All right, now zoom out. Now write down -8. Okay. Now you can't see that one, right? You can't possibly see it. Move your cursor over to it. Now zoom in on it. Hit zoom and go to zoom in. Well, let's see what happens. Just wait. All right. No. So you have to move your cursor. What does it say? What number is that really close to? Yeah, that's the answer. Let's see if photo math would have gotten it. Which one is it? 26.
Taylor, you bad. I thought I keep that's an automatic.
-8 and 15. Crazy, huh? All right. How about something else now? Wait, why don't you get another piece of pizza? All right. Can you go into my left closet in the very back on the top shelf and get out that Polaroid Instalab? Oops, I hit the wrong button. This one. Oh, it's on the top shelf, Alyssa. On the in the back. That weird looking thing. Yeah, get that. That's it. Bring that over here. Oh, okay. All right. So now,
Can I put one of mine? Oh, no, those cost money.
no, we can do it. So we're gonna turn it on, and now
Yeah, how much?
$170. Wait, select film. I don't understand.
Yeah, but they are Polaroids. They did a stab on the wall.
How do I make it be big? Or how do I like look at the photo by just the photo there? Is it never gonna just take up the whole screen? Okay, okay, click next. There, now turn it and face it. Hold on. Ready?
I'm gonna mess it up and it's gonna be zoomed in on one person.
Here we go. Ready? Is it blinking?
Yes.
Don't shake it. It'll ruin the photo. Now, choose a photo you want to have made.
I broke it. I'm sorry. Oh, I picked the one.
I think that's gonna work. I'm good, man. Okay. Okay, so here's some more homework. This looks scary. This is page 515. Remember these? Okay? No. You don't even need to write it down, okay? Just put this part into y equals.
Oh my god, why? How does he press it or do you just sit down? Press it down.
Okay. Now we have to zoom back to standard. Whenever you get lost, just go to zoom standard.
That was a really okay. My defense, I was really.
Okay, or does it look like it's crossing? Oh, it's in between 1 and 2. What would you say it would be? All right, and then where else? -6 and positive 1.5.
Yeah.
Great, write that down. Okay, don't shake it because that'll ruin the photo. All right, there you go. You guys can go whenever.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day. Thank you. So that was the actual like real photo, and then this is the one that we made from her phone. They both take 15 minutes to develop. The mistake I made when I took this one was I had flash on, but we were outside, so I should have left the flash off. So that photo is going to be screwed up. But this photo, I bet will look a lot better, even though it's cutting the delivery lady out. Okay, so you got that one? Let's do one more from this section. Because at that point, you kind of get it. Yeah, we can do this one. I like this problem. We're going to do number 30. Ben dives off a 36-foot platform. The equation H equals negative 16t squared plus 14t plus 36 models the dive. How long will it take Ben to reach the water? Okay. So all that it means is stick this in Y1. Y1. That's all you got to do. All right. So what is happening here is this dude he climbs up on a diving board. It's 36 feet off the ground. He jumps off and then he hits the water. Where does he hit the water? Okay. One of the numbers you just told me is correct. Is there such thing as negative time? No, because it says how long will it take Ben to reach the water? So you'll have these two solutions, and you have to think, which one do I throw away? And you're going to throw away the negative. So how long did it take him to reach the water? It doesn't say. Let's go with seconds. 2 seconds. Makes sense, right? All right. So that's this assignment. And then graphing quadratics. I want to get a photo of them playing. Can we do a photo of y'all playing? All right, hang on. Okay, ready? Hold on, I gotta get Jay the photo. Okay, everybody look over here. 1, 2, 3. Jay was like, I don't know even if he's in it.
Jay wanted a head start on Kobe, but Kobe's probably gonna.
Yeah, they left. It is 12:05 p.m. Oh, the PlaySTAARtion? Yeah, it ends at 12:30. Oh wow, we ate a lot of the pizza this time. You got 25 minutes or so, yeah. This is almost all gone. Oh, we got just the right amount of pizza this time. We'll have some left over, but not too much, you know. Yes, sir. You don't have to ask.
I got on one app playing with
So what do you think, man?
All I'm thinking is like looking at these maps. I'm sitting there like this is the Russian Nuketown, you know?
Oh, right.
I was I used to play Call of Duty all the time, like online multiplayer. Stopped. 4 years of playing. Nobody like dude. I even had people who were modding, and they still couldn't beat it. I can't do this anymore.
It just got boring.
Yeah, I did like them. I've always Call of Duty.
Uh-huh.
But what I was telling Ashley is that in school was whenever you were in Friday night school and you had to see it Saturday school. I was like, and trust me, it wasn't no party playing games. Yeah. You got any more trouble?
Well, there is a room right now. It just ended where that is actually happening. And over there on the other side of the building. This room was a volunteer. Everybody here is here by voluntarily. Uh-huh. And actually 2 weeks ago we had 14.
Yeah.
And today we have like 9 or 10. Next week we'll probably have like 20 because that's the weekend before the benchmark. The benchmark is Thursday, February 20th. We have students that are on Discord who are participating in this because this whole thing is being live streamed on YouTube. Yeah, like can you go to YouTube on your phone? You can watch this thing right now.
Yeah, we got my message off of her phone. I was like, it's on that live streaming.
Go to Athenian, Athenian. Stranger. Click that. No, wait a second.
That was awesome.
I know I'm mad. I'm from California. Exactly.
See, there's like I guess what, 8-second delay or 10-second delay. This is the guy that's on Discord. Earlier, I think there were 3 people max, I think, on Discord. So they can talk and they can tell me, hey, do number 15. And then I can do number 15 on the tablet and they're watching it on the YouTube app. Yeah. So if this is one thing where if Ashley ever needs help, I can pull up this live stream and one of you can have it set up on YouTube so she can see, and then we can be on the phone and that way so she can see what I'm trying to tell her to write. Well, we did get through 2 of the homeworks, and now she knows. I think she feels a lot better because she knows she can do it in the calculator. Yeah. Yeah. And I feel like even though there's more to do, I feel like that's enough. Okay, we don't want to make her hate it. So that if she wants to play with it more, there are calculator emulators that we should probably install on her phone.
She has one.
Oh, great. Oh, right, right.
She has one.
Oh, great. Okay.
That's why I told her.
Then maybe she could do a couple more. Okay. Well, she could probably do a couple more then if she can play with. All right. Do you have a textbook? Oh, no, you don't. Okay. Okay. Here's the one that you had brought back. This belongs to somebody. This one that you gave you yesterday. This belongs to somebody in 8th period. So just bring it back Monday, okay? And then just do a couple of the problems from the one this problem set over here.
How did you not see him? It's like it's
I know, right?
Kyle. Only I see you. Literally only to.
That's a point.
Oh, you.
I don't. No.
I it might. And them only been like 5-year-old.
I just 5-year-old and
They just watching.
watch that.
Exactly.
Fuck you. I care.
Online.
Did it just start playing music? What game? Oh, this is Call of Duty.
Oh, ballistic knife. Ballistic knife. Oh yeah, you're dead.
Okay, so if you want to write down a couple to do for your homework, here I'll just. I don't know. They're screaming. Yeah. Well. All right. So here's some 507 work. You can write down a couple that you didn't do here.
Oh, you want to come?
Oh, these are turning out good. What a cool photo. Oh, this one has weird coloring. It's weird. I don't know why I did that. I think it's because she had a protector on her phone.
Oh God, that makes.
The PlayStation photo of you guys turned out really good. Huh. You want to see it?
I'm just sitting there eating beef.
Yeah. You see Jasmine? Yeah. Oh, sorry. You're still writing.
Oh man,
I wouldn't eat it. I wouldn't eat it like as a kid, but
You got 4 of them? All right. That's it. And then we'll just, next week, we'll start working on the ones where the X is in the exponent section. And we'll learn about those. But you did great today. Actually, everybody did great today. You thought that was fun? Yeah, I'm going to get to that. I'm going to go do some lesson planning right now. You're watching my YouTube or another one? A YouTube. No, I was just wondering. Oh, okay. Wolverine. It's 12:18. Okay, does anyone want to get a head start on signing up for next week? Here's the sign-up sheet.
Did I already sign that? Yeah, I signed that one. I'm just checking it. How many I signed? That one. That one.
Are we turning the lights on or are we still playing?
We're gonna.
Oh, okay.
Is this before the star test?
No, the last page is the one before the star test. Bye. Jonathan, are you ever going to be able to come to one of these in person?
What's time for the last page?
Yo, you need a pen or something?
Yes.
That's not the last one, though.
Is it just a transportation issue?
Last place star test.
Wow, these are everybody's almost... You can put more names on that one. If you couldn't get your name on there. Oh, if Michael, before you go, if you want to sign up for another one of these, we got the sign up sheet here if you want to get a head start on it.
Oh wait, I can't.
You'll be all right, Jay. You'll be able to make it out there before 12:30. It's 11 minutes. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I got nothing but play games.
Play games or come to math class.
I'm writing with my left hand, but slower.
Oh. James, gotcha.
Just the one.
All right. So I'm gonna have to lesson plan from page 424. Oh my gosh, it's like listening to a bunch of children. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I hope you had fun, Ashley. See you later. Bye.
Can you text my aunt?
Yes, I can. Yeah, 9 more minutes. All right, I'll text your aunt.
I was at least
What? Oh yeah, what are you gonna do there? Are you gonna go to Starbucks? That's right. You can't go to Tyler without going to Starbucks, right? It's like a wasted trip, huh? Wow, we have a whopping 1 viewer. But look, we had a total of 38 viewers. But right now, only one person's watching it. No, I don't. It's not him either. It's just someone else. It's like the ghost viewer, you know. I guess I'll end it. I'll just show this. I'll paste this in here. So basically, where we're going to head next week is we're going to look at functions that look like this. Y equals A, B to the X. Those are called exponential functions because the X is in the exponent. The X is the exponent.
Yeah, right. I don't know. It looks like a bite.
That's weird. We got one chicken bacon. All right. I will now be ending the stream here. Thank you so much for watching this 2-hour and 35-minute video for our second PlaySTAARtion. It was a huge success. I want to thank everybody who joined online, as well as everybody who was here in person. And we'll catch you in the next stream, which, given the rate that we're making these streams, will probably be in a couple hours. Okay, the stream.